My wonderful people, e don finally boss o. They say that for Anambra state, the billionaire wey they call Eze Atonukpo, as it happen like this now, they say that man don carry some part go give Fulani people for Anambra state as they be. Watch this video that I'm going to show you right now. Don't forget, say you see there for news info. Watch the video.
Mary High School class of 90. Okay, ma'am. I'm going to make this voice message in response to this post about IPOB reaction that was on my Gabon post. When you made this post, as I'm making this voice message now, and I'm more follow if I may expect now the possible in Anambra state. I am fully an Albany. Only some top operatives of the vigilante group, one of their commander, one connect, all of friends. So in the process of my discussion with him, the guy will go and no more about anything on follow. Na find a cool Fulani headsman. Now one of the problem and threat I face in this area. When I see that I thought even during the Soludo, during the former governor Obiano era, now the Southeast governors meet Lunenugu, we arrive at a decision, even signing into law, that it is illegal for Fulani people to be herding cows in the Southeast. How many is the guy when promise this night? Now I can man up na have an arrangement following this night where they go sim if any man over there. So to my greater surprise, and around 11 p.m. this night or Friday, now I joined them. We're governing Enugu just in a labor RCC, that Renault Construction Company, their construction site na Enugu that express road, Enugu express road, very close to Zone 13 headquarters, police headquarters. Near that RCC construction company by the right, a crossover, a full Zone 13, police Zone 13 headquarters, then a full Dunukofia local government headquarters. So, a man behind this place, just very close to that Zone 13, police Zone 13 headquarters. These guys help them now, Bania Weje Gosim, Ebe Sêcret camp for Fulani headsmen. Their numbers to be uncountable. If you driver, it runs into thousands. Now they are female. They just created a community for them. There. If I run a call, I call. If I kuaba, we find Janyam Nabo, where for Nabania. So I will go see the team. When I join, Namamaho, not very, very shocked to be seeing this thing. Namamaho and such a team may exist in Anambra state. Do you know what they told me? Nahama no one live at risk in this environment. Mana, they can't do anything. And say how why? I say because no one to involve Apeze. That now Apeze, we create that place for the Fulani headsmen to be their place of residence, and they don't know when they protect. So now without him, they can do anything. But Nahawa do ready to strike and sack them from that place. Mana na appease with the protection the people will. So to me, when I say so, now this thing I know about appease working for working against the interest and the security of Ndibo is truth. I want to know the reality there. Now if I were a big threat, call to this place, mana na cannot have due to the political interest and protection the people want. So when I go how save can the environment do? So when I see living, now there are a lot of kidnapped victims. Now recently, they told me about one citizen of Enugu, one of the most influential citizens of Enugu, the MLO abducted. That a ransom of 15 million was paid. That's about 3 weeks ago, before the guy was released. I tracked away, or we know some guys from that Fulani herdsmen. We kidnapped the guy. 2 of them were arrested and handed over to the Zone 13 police headquarters. Now, how far about those suspects? So why Njiwe because of this IPOB press release in their online now, wherefore Ozonwa post. So many of us are if an amen, why some people will believe so much in ESN and whatever. But I know Mepelofuma just about 1 hour ago, can only this encounter. And it woke me up to a lot of realities. As in, I will carry out more investigation. And then I will sit down and write an article that will wake up the people that are concerned to understand the danger that is facing Anambra State, the security threat that is facing Anambra State, because even Janyan Wefuna Bania, I want a solution to it, to counter it. Anambra State is in danger. Because if we go to these people, no, if they are numbers, and the individual are armed with AK-47 rifles, maybe 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the morning, he woke up here. But if I have any farms on the mud, you can't talk, you can't do anything. So, after Shamefana Bania, Nsimba, Namaya Bashinkit, so fine, Chilugolanyang welfare, because all the while, I never knew. If I'm the Fulani headsman, now I should see go. Or to government is a deceive on the mother because my fellow Norway High School class of 90 members and I'm going today or if any no follow na media they believe the propaganda of government do too much and they deceive the citizens and Atezenugbo is working against the interest of Ndibo. Atezenugbo create a camp for Fulani herdsmen, or you have to spread this news. I'm coming up with a destructive article on this issue because this is a security threat to Ndibo. It is a security threat. I'm a prominent Igbo citizen like Atezenugbo. We go so low to sell off Ndibo because of the interest to protect his oil well and to be in the good book of the Fulani politicians and the rulers of this country. So if I can say can contribute sometimes I don't misunderstand the people who agitate for Biafra. But going by Ifanya and Fulani Albania, I don't have to blame them, or the so-called ESN. I don't have to blame them Because the more they cry, the more the people now suppressing the Igbo makes them to appear. Na ife ha na-eme ọwụ nkọlili mana eziokwu ka ha na-ekwu. Awụghị m a member of IPOB, awụghị m an official member of ESN, but I'm just saying the truth and nothing but the truth. Anambra State is in security danger based on ife anya m na-agba Fulani Enugu Agidi today. Ekenekwa m